Nidec drives, creating the world's motion for more than 50 years. We are true innovators. Our precision-engineered drives improve performance, efficiency, and productivity, creating energy-efficient motion towards a sustainable future. Every idea is engineered to make your life just that little bit easier. We manufacture with the best engineers, the best equipment, and groundbreaking techniques. We are set up to meet your needs wherever you are in the world. We enable the world's most dynamic applications: feeding, moving, protecting, thrilling. Our drives are everywhere. We make a real difference, but we're not done yet. We invest in our people, helping them grow and develop new skills. We invest in manufacturing to continually improve quality. We develop our products to reach new levels of performance. We pride ourselves on our customer service and support. We're here to help you every step of the way, providing you with solutions to succeed. We are moving forward and want you to come with us. Together, we can make the world spin smarter. Nidec, all for dreams.